How to log in into BeReal account on new phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded BeReal app in your device. Now open that app. Here we go. You will land to this page. Firstly, you need to type in your name to continue with the process. After you type in that, tap on continue. Now over here you will need to type in your date of birth. After you type in your date of birth, tap on the option continue. Now over here type in the phone number that you have used for creating your BeReal account. Firstly select your country code and then type in your phone number over here. After you select your country code and type in your phone number over here, tap on the option of continue. With that you will get code in your phone number. You have to enter that code over here. With that you will be logged into your BeReal account. So this is how you can log in into BeReal account on new phone. This was very simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to log in into BeReal account on new phone. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.